We're going to take the 28-25s, long 28-25. It is Monday. Took a couple days off and played around with some various things we'll talk about a little later. We have some catch-up work to do, so we'll see. We'll see here if 28-25s hold. This is where some passive trade turned initiative in the opening stages of the B period. Well, we're getting close to a 5-point move from 28 1/4s. We're working on some software, and we didn't hit 33 1/4, but we hit 33. 33 1/4 would give us 10 points with 2 contracts. We're going to take that trade if we can get filled at 32 1/4. Simply because it looks like a balancing type of day. We'll talk more about that. Click 33 again. Didn't hit 33 1/4. We'll stand by here and see if we can get our 33 1/4 filled. And it's close. We're doing some different things. We tried trading some short-term activity. I think it was Friday, the day we didn't produce any snippets, and it was really interesting. But I don't think we're going to get away from what we've been doing. I think we're going to continue on the right track and do some different things in March. Might simplify the website a little bit. Might eliminate some video recording to make some time available for a great day trading video broadcast, daily broadcast that deals with market profile theory and application. And I think that'll help me in the execution of our trading strategy. So we're going to concentrate on that during the month of March. All right, we're clicking 33 again. We didn't get filled at 33 1/4 yet. All right, there's 33 1/4. We're going to take the 33 1/4. There you go, 33 1/4 out. I'm going to pause video. We're going to take the 32s if we can get them here. Clicking 31.75. I wanted to take the 33s, but we missed them. Now we're trading down. With the balanced market, it looks like we should, head back toward the mean. Would have been nice to get the 33.25s, but we're creating some new chart books, and it's just missed it. So anywhere up here on a retest, this area, 1159 area, would be nice. Okay, let's see if we can get up to the 32s. Trying to be patient. As I watch the F period make lows here, lower lows. We had a wider stop this morning when we entered in the D period. We're trying some different stop strategies. The 2-point hard stop wasn't working well. The lack of flexibility is a killer. So we're going to just try to use our insights into the market profile theory that we've been working on, and open up our stop range, and we'll see how it goes this month. We were able to turn February around from a losing month to a positive month. Not a big positive month, but a positive month. A lot of fees in February, trying new strategies and various things. Patiently waiting here, and we didn't get any fill up to 32 1/4s. We should have probably taken the 32s. Clicked 4 contracts at the 32 1/4. We're going to take the 31.75s. If we can click 32, we'll take the 31.75s. Just can't seem to get above that 31.75. Alright, short 231.50. And we'll expect this trade to work its way back down toward the point of control in the 28.50 area. That's not a huge profit target. 28.50. We could test the E period low. 27.50. Our stop on this, I'm looking at the profile, that's a poor reward to risk stop considering our entry is 31 and our profit target is only 28. It would have to be above the profile, above the B period high, which is 35 1/4. It's a 5-point stop. A little more than a 5-point stop. That's why the better trade location was certainly in the 33s. So we might have to open up the stop a little bit to accommodate for the poor trade location. Maybe run it up to the low volume cluster, the 37 area. Be a 6-point stop, 37.50. Support is between 32 and 24. That's where the passive buying occurred through a consolidation in the early part of the day. We have that line marked on our footprint chart. That area would be an area that you could consider, well, if you would have considered accumulating at the 11-1300 hour. It tested the 2475 area, got into the 2450 area, but couldn't get any lower, so it wasn't a huge opportunity to accumulate for a long time there, and that was a good enough event for the market to then have initiative hittings of the offer and drive the market up to 34. And boy, it would be nice to just reverse, but I've tried that strategy and hasn't been successful in the past, but it's on my mind. I'd like to be able to incorporate that and refine that strategy. Our target's a point of control at 28.50. 28.50. 28 is the point of control, I think. 28.50 might be our target there. That'll be a 6-point trade, 3 times 2. I got to the desk a little late this morning. Trade was nice. There was a open below yesterday's close. Globex sold off and tested the low 20s. Couldn't get down to 17, and then the A period opened up and retested near the Globex's low, and that would have been a nice area to take a long. And then the market closed then in the B period, the gap right to the tick, broke above yesterday's closing range right to the close at, I believe it was 35 1/4, and then went down and sold off to the D period low, which tested the 22 to 24 area that we just talked about as support. And if you were active, you could have got along there, and rode that 10 points up to where we got out at the market at 32s, 33 area. And then I think the market's rotating back down toward the mean and possibly the other end of value, which is the D period low at 24. You can see a retest there. And if the market's in fact balancing like it looks like it is, then those are the opportunities. And we missed those in the morning, and we're trying to catch, we caught one, and we're trying to catch this rotation back down toward the mean, toward the other end of value. Except in this particular case, considering it's moving into the lunch hour, our target is the mean, not the lower end of value. We're starting to break here. We're at the 29.75. We haven't hit the target yet, but we're going to stand by here and be patient. We're going to better the position up here at the 35s. We're going to take the 34.75s with our stop at 38.50. 31.25 is our target to offset the first 2 contracts for break even plus a little bit of for commission. And our target's 2850 for the other two at 3475. Okay, we offset 31 1/4, and now we looking for 2850 as our target. We didn't click down to 2850. That's our target. Click down to 2875. See some cross trains building down here right above the point of control. We're going to have to pause the video and wait a little longer. Alright, there's our 2850. We didn't get filled at 2850. Man. Trying to wait for the 2850s. We're going to take the 29 1/4 out.